Good morning, Miss. Okay, so today I will evaluate from the summary point first for PPKN. Please explain, Miss.
Oke, selamat pagi, Miss. Materi kali ini provinsiku bagian dari wilayah NKRI, di mana NKRI memiliki banyak keragaman dari suku, bahasa, budaya, adat istiadat, makanan, serta provinsi. Jadi setiap provinsi pasti memiliki keunikan dan keragaman masing-masing. Keragaman itulah yang membuat kita unik dari daerah lainnya, dari provinsi lainnya. Ada beberapa perbedaan keragaman seperti budaya, bahasa, adat istiadat, tarian, senjata tradisional, bahkan sejarah provinsi itu sendiri. Keragaman menciptakan kesempatan bagi kita untuk belajar satu sama lain, bukan berarti kita harus mengejek, menghina, bahkan mencemooh budaya orang lain. Dengan saling menghargai, keragaman bisa membuat kita hidup rukun, damai, bersatu, serta menjadi bangsa yang kuat. Keragaman memperkaya kehidupan sosial, artinya kita bisa saling membantu, saling merangkul, walaupun kita berbeda suku, bahkan mungkin kita berbeda provinsi, dan memperkuat persatuan bangsa.
Hipas. Ya.
Oke, materi lanjutan Indonesia dan masyarakat dunia. Indonesia bekerja sama dengan negara lain melalui ASEAN. Indonesia adalah salah satu bagian dari benua Asia Tenggara tepatnya, melalui ASEAN, yaitu Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Seperti kita tahu, pada tahun 2004 di Aceh terjadi bencana alam yang luar biasa, itu tsunami. Namun Aceh mendapat bantuan internasional. Kenapa? Karena kemajuan teknologi dan transportasi yang bisa menyampaikan informasi ke luar negeri dengan mudah. Karena apa? Karena globalisasi. Globalisasi membawa dampak positif bagi kemajuan teknologi, bagi negara atau tempat yang mendapat bencana. Bantuan bisa datang dengan cepat, bantuan bisa berasal dari negara lain dengan cepat karena adanya globalisasi. Namun bisa juga menjadi negatif bagi negara kita jika kita melupakan budaya lokal dan selalu mengadopsi budaya asing yang mungkin tidak cocok dengan budaya kita, tidak cocok dengan culture kita sendiri. Seperti kita tahu ada 7 benua di dunia, yaitu benua Australia, Asia, Eropa, Amerika Utara, Amerika Selatan, dan benua Asia, Australia, Eropa, benua Amerika Utara, Amerika Selatan, dan benua
Dua lagi.
Iya, benua Antartika dan benua Afrika. Oke. Australia adalah benua terkecil. Mengapa? Dia benua yang paling unik karena hanya memiliki satu negara, yaitu negara Australia itu sendiri. Di Asia memiliki 45 negara, di mana Asia terbagi menjadi beberapa bagian: Asia Tenggara, Selatan, Barat, Timur, Tengah, dan pasti memiliki kekayaan budaya masing-masing. Seperti di India, mereka memiliki ikon yaitu Taj Mahal. Indonesia memiliki banyak ikon. Jadi Asia itu sendiri memiliki seperti di Asia Tenggara memiliki 10 negara, begitupun Asia Selatan, India, dan Asia lainnya.
Jadi negara apa yang bergabung di ASEAN ini?
Di Asia?
Di ASEAN, negara apa aja?
ASEAN itu negara Asia Tenggara, di mana seperti Filipina, Vietnam, Kamboja, Laos, Brunei, Indonesia, Singapura, Malaysia, Thailand, dan Kamboja.
Myanmar.
Udah
tahu mereka? Sudah hafal? Sudah.
Kebetulan ini waktu saya izin itu, Miss.
Oh.
Jadi sama Mister. Tapi setelah itu saya tanya lagi mereka
sudah tahu.
Beberapa mereka sudah tahu.
Oke, setidaknya 10 ini mereka hafal gitu.
Iya, mereka harus hafal karena Asia Tenggara.
Iya. Oke. Untuk bahasa Indonesia?
Oke. Ini ya. Oke, materi kali ini merencanakan liburan bersama dengan teman-teman. Yang pertama adalah tentang diskusi. Diskusi adalah kegiatan menyampaikan argumen untuk mencari solusi, di mana kesepakatan yang kita ambil harus sesuai dengan keputusan bersama dan dapat dijalankan bersama-sama, diterima dengan ikhlas dan dilakukan dengan tulus. Langkah-langkah diskusi yang pertama itu kita harus menentukan tema diskusi. Apa yang akan kita bahas? Selanjutnya tujuan dan bagaimana kita bisa melakukan, kita bisa melaksanakan hasil itu dengan baik. Peran kita dalam diskusi itu apa sebagai moderator kah, notulis kah, atau peserta? Yang pertama itu ada moderator. Moderator itu harus memastikan diskusi berjalan dengan baik, tanpa hambatan, tanpa gangguan, serta peserta diskusi harus menghormati pendapat setiap orang yang mengutarakan pendapat dengan langkah-langkah dengan cara tertib. Debat, kalau debat itu pertukaran pendapat antara peserta dengan alasan yang meyakinkan dan bisa menentang, memastikan ini benar atau tidak, dan mereka harus bisa meyakinkan orang lain dan mereka tidak boleh memaksakan pendapat mereka. Selanjutnya materi berikutnya itu tentang iklan. Ada brosur adalah berisi informasi untuk menarik pelanggan, untuk menarik orang lain terhadap suatu produk atau jasa. Iklan sendiri memberi informasi dan mempengaruhi konsumen. Iklan itu bisa brosur, bisa seperti kertas-kertas yang diberikan. Brosur itu seperti kertas-kertas yang diberikan di pinggir jalan, bisa berisi produk atau jasa yang bisa mempengaruhi konsumen untuk membeli atau tertarik terhadap produk yang mereka berikan. Selanjutnya ada kwitansi, bukti pembayaran atau penerimaan uang dalam transaksi, di mana di sini kwitansi adalah bukti tertulis yang berisi informasi penting seperti berapa jumlah uang yang dibayarkan, tanggal pembayaran, serta siapa yang membayar atau menerima kwitansi tersebut.
Okay. Now we move to science. Okay. This one. Yeah.
Okay. Circuit diagram. Circuit diagram uses symbol to represent components. Circuit diagrams use a symbol like, for example, wire. Wire use straight line to connect the circuit. Battery use short line as a positive end, and then long line as positive end and short line as negative end. Lamp using the circle with a cross inside it, and then the switch. There are two switches. The first is open switch and the second is closed switch. Open switch use the two circle that connect to a straight line but open in the other line. And then the closed switch will connect two circle with the straight line on. And then the symbol helps simplify complex circuit design. As we know, the real circuit is consists of wire, lamp, switch, and buzzer. But in the simple circuit, in the circuit design, in the diagram circuit, we only know that the wire is only straight line, and then we can use that symbol to make us understand and easier to draw the circuit. The symbol are used by scientists and engineers to help them easier to draw and help them to understand well. Not only them, but us as a students, we can draw it well. Circuit diagrams shows how components are connected and work together. As I told before, the circuit diagram help us easier to understand and help us easier to draw the real circuit by using diagram circuit.
Okay, so how many symbols for all?
They are a wire, cells, battery of cells, and then lamp, switch, and buzzer.
Buzzer. Is it different cells with the battery?
Different. The cell may be only one small power cell, but the batteries because there are some cells, miss. For example, the battery, and then also to plug
on the socket, no?
Yes, like that. So cell is small power, but the battery of cell is the holder of the battery.
Oh, so cell only one, but battery two.
Yeah, batteries
consists of two
cells.
Oh, okay. Health education.
Okay, we're still talking about the stop the germs. Vaccination can protect the germs like the germ from that can the disease like TB, cholera, dysentery, AIDS, and then how to protect this disease. We can go to the clinic or hospital to get the vaccination. And then the other ways to stop the germs is follow the boil it, cook it, fill it, or forget it rule when traveling. What does it mean? What do the words boil it, cook it, fill it, or forget it? For example, boil it. We need to drink the clean water. We can boil the water because we don't know the germs contained in the water. Cook it, cook the soup, cook the food properly, and peel it. Peel it means that, for example, the fruit should be peeled first, and then forget it, or don't eat all the food if there are many germs over there. But some of food are healthy and hygiene, like the sushi, because they use the uncooked food for the sushi, but it's good for you. We can eat that healthy fish, and then we should follow that rule when we go to the other countries, because some countries have different food, different traditional food. So we can make sure first the food is clean for us. And then prevent HIV by using disposable needles. Using disposable needles because one needle only for one person and one time. We cannot use twice or share needles to other. And helping AIDS patients safely. Ask the doctor and nurses to handle the people who got the AIDS, not you, because they know better than us. Waiting for marriage to enjoy sex with the right partner. In marriage, we can keep our relationship healthy and safe, and then we never have multiple partner, only our couple, only our spouse, and then multiple partners can harm health and marriage, because if you have sex with the girl that always have sex with multiple men, they can spread the germs HIV for you, and then you can get the AIDS.
Okay. Can we move to the next? We continue to vocabulary. Galaxy. What is that?
Galaxy is a large group of stars, planet, and space. A massive group of stars, planet, and dust held together by gravity. For example, our galaxy, the Milky Way, has billions of stars and many planets, including Earth.
Scientists.
Scientists, people who study nature, animals, and experiment. Individuals who use scientific methods and principles to conduct research, discover the facts, and develop the technologies. For example, scientists use special tools to study the ocean.
Okay. Prevention.
Prevention, stopping something bad before happening in advance. Steps taken to stop an accident, illness, or problems before they happen. For example, washing hands is a prevention method for getting sick.
Vaccination.
Vaccination, a shot that helps protect from disease. A medical treatment where a small harmless part of the virus is given to protect against the serious disease. For example, the vaccination can protect children from the dangerous disease like polio, measles.
Which one is suitable? A shot or an injection?
They both can use. I have tried.
Oh yeah, both of them can be used.
Because in the book shot, but injection as well.
Okay, disposable.
Disposable, something meant by to be used once and thrown away, is the item designed to be used once and then thrown away to avoid germs and maintain cleanliness. For example, doctors use disposable gloves to prevent germs.
Okay, science only 2. The vocabulary.
5. Tuesday and Tuesday.
Thursday, right?
Yeah, Tuesday as well.
Oh, Tuesday. Okay, switch.
Switch is the device to close or open an electrical circuit. Switch is a device to open or close in a circuit, allowing you to turn device on or off. To on or off, for example, okay, it can be found like in the lights and then fan or computer. For example, when you flip a switch to your lamp, it connects to circuit and light bulb.
Buzzer?
Buzzer, a device to make sound to give warning. Buzzer, a device to make loud sounds, and it often use an alert or alarm. For example, the buzzer makes sounds when the oven finish baking.
Okay. Now we move to homework. Oke, ini PPKN. Mengapa sih si Tina merasa kagum saat melihat tari kecak di Bali?
Karena gerakan tari yang cepat dan lincah serta pakaian penari.
Apa manfaat yang dia dapatkan?
Manfaat didapatkan pengalaman berharga seperti menikmati keindahan Bali dan bisa menghargai budaya lain.
Jam gadang itu dari mana, Miss?
Jam gadang Sumatera Barat.
Oke. IPAS, apa sih yang menyebabkan negara cepat mengirimkan bantuan ke Indonesia?
Karena kemajuan teknologi dan transportasi.
Benua apa yang tidak memiliki penghuni?
Benua Antartika.
Jadi apa aja di Antartika ini, Miss?
Di Antartika itu kumpulan es. Karena
Es.
suhunya bisa
Maksud
minus.
saya kalau tidak ada istilahnya manusia, entah binatang gitu nggak ada di benua Antartika.
Karena hanya dia di suhunya itu kalau di musim panas saja minus 60. Di suhu panas dia 0 derajat.
Jadi penguin tidak bisa hidup di sana, di benua Antartika?
Tidak, mereka tinggal di kutub. Kutub itu bisa di Afrika, Kanada.
Oh, bukan di benua Antartika ya. Jadi beruang es juga tidak bisa?
Mereka tinggal di Arktik, Miss. Jadi
Arktik.
ya, bukan Antartika.
Arktik itu yang mana?
Benua di mana daerah tersebut memiliki permukaan es, tapi suhunya itu bisa untuk memiliki kehidupan, tapi di Antartika tidak ada kehidupan.
Oke. Benua Australia itu terletak di mana?
Di sebelah selatan bumi.
Oke. Mengapa sih kerjasama antar negara penting dalam bencana alam?
Penting karena jika ada terjadi bencana alam di suatu negara, bantuan cepat datang dan proses pemulihan negara tersebut juga bisa lebih cepat.
Apa tujuan dari diskusi?
Diskusi untuk menyampaikan gagasan atau pendapat agar mendapatkan solusi.
Siapa yang bertugas memimpin jalannya diskusi?
Moderator.
Apa yang moderator lakukan?
Moderator memimpin dan mengarahkan diskusi agar berjalan dengan lancar tanpa gangguan.
Ciri-ciri iklan yang baik?
Menggunakan bahasa yang singkat, menarik, dan bersifat persuasif.
Okay. What is the purpose of using circuit symbols in diagrams?
To show the components and their connection clearly.
What does the longer line of a shell represent?
Positive ends.
So what is the symbol for a lamp in a circuit diagram?
Circle with a cross inside it or X inside it.
Circle.
Yeah, circle.
With a
X,
cross.
yeah.
Oh, inside it. So which component makes a sound in a circuit diagram?
Buzzer.
What can help protect your body from TB, cholera, and dysentery?
Taking vaccination.
So what should you do if you see an AIDS patient with an open wound?
Asking the doctor and nurses to handle it.
So why do you think it's important to wait for marriage before having sex to prevent AIDS?
Because having right partner can prevent the germs of HIV, and then by keeping the relationship healthy and safe, and then that's lowering a chance of getting sick.
What year did the scientists send the monkeys into space?
1957,
So what were the names of the two monkeys?
Leo and Rosie,
So what happened to them after 3 days in space?
they lost contact to Earth.
They lost contact to Earth,
Yeah.
with Earth, so they died.
That's the story, miss. The story, like,
It's not real.
that's not real, just the story.
So what is the end of the story? What happened to them?
The astronaut regret their past mistake because they sent two monkeys to the space, and then after 2 days and a half, the monkeys lost contact to the Earth, and then the monkeys lost because, and then after maybe about 2567, the astronauts sent the Cormac to the space, and then after that, the Cormac said, "So many people here." And then after he looked at carefully, they are not people but the monkeys. And then he read something. He remembered that they have ever seen two monkeys there and lost. And then maybe they are the kids of the two monkeys. And then they went to the huge museum. There was a statue of two monkeys there. That is Leo and Rosie.
Oh, okay. So what do you think the astronaut learned from the encounter with the monkeys on Pluto?
Okay, the astronaut can learn that the animals, even in space, they can have their own societies, and then the humans should treat the animals more respect and care.
Okay, I think it's enough for the evaluation today, Miss. Based on the evaluation, I think you don't miss anything because it was clear explanation, so you pass in this evaluation.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes.